Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This video is my first video of 2022 and I wish each and every one of you a very happy new year. So, what is this video all about? Well, this is a small update on the death cross on the Bitcoin that has already been formed. But why this death cross is so important and how are you going to play this death cross? Many of people or many of the crypto Twitter guys have literally ignored this death cross. I've already posted few days back when the death cross happened because I normally trade with the EMAs. So I already posted few days back. Also, I'm going to discuss about this death cross in detail and what is the strategy of how you want to play this or how you should be playing this death cross. So stay tuned to this video. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe the channel, give a like button and watch till the end. So let's go. First of all, let's go to my Twitter page. Okay, this is what my primary plan on BTC that I've been mentioning since 18th of October 2021, where I mentioned that I'm expecting BTC to go for a fake out, then we dump, and where a lot of comment that people were not expecting this dump, and we dumped. I also confirmed that my confidence is very strong and we need a dump. Here we are. Now my plan is what I updated on 8th of December 2021 when we literally shorted BTC at $7,000. Well, I was expecting it to have a swing failure pattern of the lows. Well, this was your SFP on the CMEs. We literally got it. Now I would like to see this move upside to $53,000. But where exactly we are on the BTC. So let's first talk about the death cross. Let's go to the the Bitfinex chart. This is the Bitfinex chart and you can clearly see the death cross on the daily. So why this death cross is important? We got this death cross on 16th of June when BTC was literally accumulating at $29,000 levels. And this also, if you remember, I posted in the month of April that we're going to have a fake BTC death cross and we literally longed $30,000 levels. When everybody was shorting, we longed it. Also, we had a golden cross and I mentioned that this golden cross is going to be the next, that this is going to play out, and it played out. And now we are going to get another death cross, the second death cross in a row. And normally what I have seen is whatever the cross you get it the second time, it majority of the time plays out. So how are you going to play this death cross along with the BTC? So what is your plan? If you are just FOMOing or you're just expecting, want to hear from me that we're going to pump, then I'm sorry. I'm not that type of a person that's just going to give you some hopium. No, we are going to purely talk from the technical analysis perspective. So let's go dig down to the history of Bitcoin, that how the death cross and golden cross plays out, guys. Well, a small example of how the golden cross and death cross plays out. Well, this was your golden cross, we have it here, and this was a fake golden cross. Then we have a death cross which literally played out with a dump. And then again we had a golden cross. The second golden cross we pumped and made new all-time highs. Not only that, let's go to the BTC in 2014. What exactly we did at that point of time. Normally, it's a very similar example that I'm going to give it here as well. At that point of time, we had a death cross. People shorted it. We pumped. Then we have a golden cross. People longed it, then we dump, again have a death cross, and this death cross literally played out, dump. And then, this is how the second death cross literally plays out. What is my plan on the BTC and how I'm going to execute it? How I'm going to play the death cross? there are few levels you should be watching on BTC. Is the first interesting level is $40,500. That's a very crucial level on the BTC. So I'm short on BTC from 43,700. Many of you guys know we already long this week and we hedged it here. So we have already riding our hedge longs in Walsh Wealth Group. If you don't know about Walsh Wealth Group, you can check it on the Twitter page. It's the only way to subscribe is via website, which is where the group where I give. We have a lot of traders. We give technical analysis, daily live sessions. We help you improve. We provide the calls. We give trades over there, and it's a nice community we have it. So what I'm expecting from this BTC is I'm looking for a dump to 40,500 levels. Max, I would be expecting to $40,000, and I would want these levels to hold. If we are losing these levels, let's say, then we might be literally looking for a sweep of $38,000. That's where the bears are going to literally kick in. They're going to short heavily over here. The price is going to suppress here very nicely. People are going to expect a dip down, and out of nowhere we just start pumping and retesting EMA 200 or MA 200 levels around 48,900 to $50,000 levels in a single slingshot. So basically two things you need to observe and monitor is the levels. First level is 40,500. If we are holding 40,500 and 40k levels, so we may see a nice bounce, accumulation, again dump, accumulation like this, and then we can go for a pump. So that is going to be a nice accumulation. That's what we are talking on the Bitcoin. Okay, but if we are losing 40,500, $40,000 levels, then we are going to take this SFP, which also confirms we are in the wave 3 at the moment, and then the wave 3 is going to finish somewhere around 37.5 to $37,000 levels. From there, I'm expecting a bounce to a retest of MA 200 or EMA 200. So these are the levels you should be watching on BTC. So the red line, we are just having a nice confluence here building up at $49,000 levels. So practically the way you should play the death cross is, first of all, you should be look how are we going to react at 40,500, 40,000 levels. If we are bouncing from there, breaking up $43,000, would confirm that we're going to go to 45.5, and then we start dumping back again for the fifth wave, which is going to be a truncated wave 5 towards 39,900 to $39,700. From there, we're going up. Second thing is, if we are losing the levels of $40,000, would confirm that we are dumping to $38,000 levels. So that's where you should be literally longing. Don't panic. People are going to literally tell you this Bitcoin have lost the levels. We are dumping to 30,000, 31,000, 28,000. Just long that 38,000 with a very tight stop loss. The stop loss should be anything under $34,000 with a take profit targets of $49,000, $51,000. That's where your take profit targets on the BTC would be. If the death cross is real and it's literally valid, then BTC is literally going to have reject the MA 200 or EMA 200, come back down, and then we're going to have a big dump towards $32,000, $33,000 levels. And that's how you should be playing the death cross. We're going to get this dump along with the whole market dumping back down, and that's how you're going to get the death cross. That's how you play the death cross. Okay, guys. So these are the two important levels you should be watching: is $40,000, $40,500 levels. Lose that, and next immediate level is $37,500, $38,000 levels. That don't miss that long if you get it. Looking to this time, people are comparing, and looking at this. This is what I expect prima facie for the death cross. So play wisely, guys. I'm also going to post a low time frame scenario on BTC and few of the alts that I like it, like Defi, Phantom, ADA, Cardano, XRP, Litecoin. Wow, we literally nailed the bottom of BTC pair. I'm going to post the updates as well. So stay tuned. And also, if you're not trading and if you would like to trade, do trade on the Bybit. It's a nice platform. You can trade it, by using my referral link. You'll get a nice discounts on your fees along with a nice bonus on joining. There are a lot of bonus you will get it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.